This is how you get VSTs to Mixcraft. First, by Judah. So first you have to download presets on a teacher account. And you have to do it on a teacher account because you have to move it into a different file, and you can't do that because you don't have permission. So first, go under Share, CP, Everyone, and then go all the way down to Sound Engineering. Click SCB or whichever one, and then VSTs, and then right click on a teacher account, make a new folder, and put the VST into there. Now when you go to Mixcraft, you just go up to File, Preferences, Plugins, Edit VST Folders, Add, go down to under there, under CP, Everyone, down to Sound Engineering, and then VSTs, and then you click on there. You hit OK, OK, and then OK, and then it'll pop up something which it didn't there. But whenever you add more, you just keep adding to that same folder. And then after you've added one, it might take a couple minutes, but then after you're gonna have to hit rescan, and what that's gonna do is just scan and make sure that it has all of them.